First, download the Blu Onyx app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. After the download is complete, open the Blu Onyx app and select Sign Up to create your username and password. You can also select Auto Login to avoid this step in the future. You will also be asked to verify your account. Enter the 6-digit code that was emailed to you. The Blu Onyx app will ask you to allow notifications to be sent to your phone. Select Allow if your mobile device's settings are set up to permit this activity. Before you add your WaterStop device, you will be asked to allow the app to know your location. Press Allow while using the app. Select Add Device to pair your Blu Onyx app with your WaterStop. Now press and hold the menu and close buttons on your WaterStop unit to put it into search mode. The Wi-Fi light will flash and a beeping will sound. The app will now search for pairable devices. Once your Blu Technology WaterStop unit shows up, select it. You will also be asked to enter your Wi-Fi password. This allows WaterStop and your app to share information. Now the device's home screen appears. It will display data about your water usage and the status of your RV's water supply valve. As you scroll down the screen, you'll see the filter section. Here you can adjust how often you should be reminded of a filter replacement. Once complete, press Save. When you move sites or ever need to connect to a new Wi-Fi address, you will need to re-pair the WaterStop to whichever new Wi-Fi you will be connecting to. This will be evident as the value will show offline and will also prompt you to reconnect or change networks. You can tap here to be brought directly to the network pairing screen. To pair the device to the new Wi-Fi, first, ensure your phone is connected to the new Wi-Fi address. Once your phone is connected, head to the home screen on the app and select Settings in the bottom left. At the bottom of the settings list, you will see Change Network with the Wi-Fi name of the current Wi-Fi address your phone is currently connected to next to it. Click on Change Network to be brought to the pairing screen. Now that you are on the pairing screen, follow the instructions at the top of the screen to reconnect the WaterStop device to the new Wi-Fi connection. This will involve needing to hold the menu and close button on the WaterStop device to enter the device into pairing mode, similar to when you first paired the device. Once completed, the device will now be paired to the new Wi-Fi network and can now proceed to be used via the app. Now you're all set. The Blu Onyx app and your WaterStop unit should be paired.